welcome back. Today I'm filming the intro. Actually, one weekend after the rest of the video we're about to see. As you can see, I'm still tuning it. I was planning on doing the video only after I'm done completely tuning, but the weather didn't really cooperate. As you can see, it's still really cold. Got warm, cold, snow. Actually, right here. Got snow on the way. So what you're about to watch, I changed the cam and the springs last weekend, and I modified my spring compressor, pretty much all time-lapse. At the end of the video I have a before and after, idle, slightly higher revs. That's how it sounds after. It's a really rough tune in it. It's getting better now, getting closer. Since I can't really drive it now, maybe this weekend, if it's nice enough, the roads are dry, maybe able to do some street tuning. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next update. Probably gonna be a drive along, road tuning, stuff like that, and we'll see what will be the next project. Thank you for watching.